Today, we are checking out this affordable and compact tablet that's making waves right now in the market. This is the Lenovo Tab M9. You might want to ask yourself, is this the perfect budget tablet for me? Well, let's find out. First up, inside the box, alongside the Tab M9, we get a USB-C charging cable, some documentation and a card ejector pin, and of course the folio case that comes in this bundle option. And that's pretty much it. Lenovo keeps it simple and straightforward here with their packaging. I really love that. Now, the design and build quality is right out of the box. The Lenovo Tab M9 feels solid and lightweight, weighing just about 344 grams. The Arctic Girl finish gives it a clean and modern look at just 7.9mm thick. It's ultra slim, at least for a tablet, for that price point, making it perfect for one-handed use, like reading. On the right side, you'll find the power and volume buttons, and at the bottom you find a USB-C port for charging the device, and also if you need to connect it to your device to access the data on it, you can also do that. And of course, in this age and time where device manufacturers are getting rid of the headphone jack, this one has it at the top of it, which I think is really super nice for this age and time. So if you like dual stereo speakers, this might be the right tablet for you. Now, the display and audio is something we also need to talk about really. The Tab M9 sports a 9-inch HD IPS display with a resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels. It's bright enough at 400 nits for indoor use, and the colors are decent for the price at about £89. Well, it's usually about £149. It is perfect for streaming shows, watching your Netflix binging, or casual browsing and reading. For the purpose of this tablet, my wife actually enjoys reading on it so much that she's now the owner. Audio is delivered through dual speakers that supports Dolby Atmos. The sound quality is surprisingly good for such a budget device, clear and balanced for most media consumptions you might want to think about. Now, under the hood, we have got a MediaTek Helio G80 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and of course can expand the storage. I have a 256GB inside of this one for storing media files and stuff. The performance is decent enough for everyday tasks. Thinking about web browsing, watching videos, light gaming, you are pretty much at home with this one if you're not looking for the heavy fancy devices to use. Now for gamers, casual titles like Subway Surfers, Candy Crush run smoothly. However, there's a disclaimer right here. Don't expect high-end gaming performance on this one. This is not built for demanding games. The Lenovo Tab M9 runs on Android with a clean and easy to navigate interface. Well, there's minimal bloatware. I'm not sure why there's still bloatware in the year 2025, to be honest. I hate it, but it's minimal in this case, which is kind of always a plus. You get all the essentials from the Google ecosystem, making it perfect for multimedia and entertainment and consumption. Now, the Tab M9 features a 2-megapixel camera on the front, right here on the top, and then an 8-megapixel camera on the back of it. While they are not groundbreaking, they are serviceable for video calls and quick snapshots. So don't expect stunning details when you use it to take a picture. To be honest, you won't get the fantastic quality out of it, but they kind of get the job done, at least in their case. Now, the battery life is something that is also important. The 5100 mAh battery on this tablet is impressive for its size. Lenovo claims this can last you up to 13 hours of video playback. In my testing of this, it held up well for a full day of moderate use. Well, it goes more than a day for my wife that is able to mostly just read. So you might also then want to ask me, so Dara, who is this tablet for? I know I use a more heavy tablet for my use case, the Tab S9, which I've reviewed on this channel. You can check that out. So who should really buy the Tab M9? This tablet right here is a fantastic option for anyone that is looking for an affordable, lightweight tablet for casual use. Whether you're a student, a parent looking for a kid-friendly device, yes, you can buy it for your kids for their birthdays and IT uses, or just someone who just needs a compact entertainment device, the Tab M9 will be a great choice for you. Now, at the price point this comes at, the Lenovo Tab M9 is a solid package. It's not a powerhouse, but for everyday use, it punches above its weight. I'll give it a solid 8 over 10. So, in your case, you probably might know, you might want to give it a 10 over 10 or a 2 over 10. What do you think of the Tab M9? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. I'll see you in the next video.